Today I will unbox and review the Arcoche Aero cover storage bag for the Model 3 18-inch wheels. I received this storage bag from Arcoche for review. Inside the box, the storage bag is wrapped in a plastic bag. It's kind of compressed for shipping, so I will expand the shape so that it is usable. On the top is a zippered storage pouch where you can store parts like center caps, lug covers, tools, etc. There are 4 pockets inside. Now I will open the zipper that surrounds the outer edge of the bag. Opening it up, I will place it down on the ground. Inside is a piece of paper that mentions customer service. If you have any problems, contact them via email or Amazon customer service. Inside the bag are 3 separators that are filled with a sheet of foam to protect the individual aero covers. Each one has a Velcro tab so you can position it securely inside the storage bag and keep it from moving around. I'll bring over my Tesla OEM 18-inch aero covers and place them next to the bag. It's a good idea to clean the covers before storing them. It makes it less messy inside the bag, and any sand or debris may cause scratching, so I would clean them first. Here I will test how they fit. Place the first cover inside. You can put them in either direction, either front in or back in. In this case, I will place them all face down. Here's a close-up of the first aero cover inside the bag. Then put one of the divider sections over the hubcap. Align the dividers so that you see the matching Velcro tab on the bag. Press the Velcro so that it sticks inside the bag. Then continue putting the other aero caps in, alternating with the dividers. After getting to the last aero cap in the bag, you can flip the bag's cover over the top and then close the zipper all the way around it. Now for the top of the bag, open the zipper and now insert items like the center caps, plastic pry bar, suction cup, and a bag filled with the lug covers. Then close the zipper and they are now safely stored inside, so you will not lose them. I will lift up the bag and show you how everything fits. The 2 handles on top allow you to pick it up and also offer a means for hanging the storage bag. For example, in my garage, I have some hooks on my slat wall that will work perfectly. Up and out of the way, the caps can be stored and kept clean while not on the car. It's common for owners to only use the covers on long trips where the extra efficiency comes in handy. Now I will empty the bag and take out the aero caps. The storage bag not only works with the OEM Tesla covers, but also third-party hubcaps as well. I got out my set of black Rimetrix covers and test them next. I'm sure you've seen my other episodes where I review and modify these caps. Look to the upper right of the screen for the link to my Rimetrix playlist. And as before, when I get the last cover on top, I can close the lid. I will insert the locking center caps into the 4 pockets inside. Lifting it up, you can see that the Rimetrix aero caps fit in just as well as the original Tesla ones. Now you can place this in a safe location for storage. Now I will try a third type of cover. These are the Mayde hubcaps that come in matte black and chrome. See the link above for the video on these covers. Just to be different, I will insert these covers with the rear side in first. And like before, alternate the divider sheets with the hubcaps and attach them by Velcro. I must say that these Mayde covers are a little wider than the OEM Tesla and Rimetrix hubcaps, so it seems to stretch the bag a little more than they do. However, the depth of all 3 kinds of hubcaps are very similar. When I get to the last one, I need to pull the outside of the storage bag up so that it covers the final one. Once up enough, I can fold the flap over and zip it shut. Picking it up, you can definitely see that the hubcaps are larger and take up more space inside the storage bag. I'll unzip the top accessory storage area and put in the two bags that hold the chrome lug covers inside. Since these Mayde hubcaps are one piece, they don't have a separate center cap to store. I wanted to let you know that I could not confirm that this storage bag fits the Model Y 19-inch Aero covers, and from what I have seen, I don't think that they will fit. These 18-inch Mayde are a tighter fit inside, so I would not think that the 19-inch cover will fit well. Photos on the Amazon listing show that the covers stretch the bag very tightly, so I would not recommend getting this for the Model Y. As for where you can put the storage bag, I'll check out some areas of the car. First, I'll open the hood. As you can see, the storage bag is too wide to fit into this area. Now I'll try the trunk. Anywhere inside will fit fine as demonstrated here. However, if I lift the lower trunk floor and test, unfortunately it is too big to fit in here. Just a couple inches too wide. As I showed you before, I have several areas of my garage where I can store the bag up and out of the way. I'm an unusual case since I have 4 sets of hubcaps for my car. The original Tesla, silver Rimetrix, black Rimetrix, and the chrome Mayde. So I will probably buy a couple more bags to keep them organized. Well, that about wraps up this video. I think the bag is a decent way to store the Aero caps that come with the Model 3 with 18-inch wheels. At under $30, it's not too bad a price for a customized solution. I recommend them if you have Aero caps on your Model 3. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.